Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Bumble dating app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bumble is a popular dating and social networking app launched in 2014. What sets it apart is its approach. In heterosexual matches, women make the first move by sending the initial message within 24 hours of a match. The platform also includes modes for friendships, Bumble BFF, and professional networking, Bumble Bizz, making it more than just a dating app. In practice, many users highlight Bumble's clean interface and straightforward matching process. Profiles are easy to set up with photos, prompts, and filters that help people express their personalities. The women-first approach is often praised for reducing unwanted messages and giving women more control over interactions. Bumble's verification features and safety prompts are also valued, as they help create a more respectful environment. On the positive side, Bumble encourages accountability and active participation. Matches expire if no message is sent within a day, which motivates quicker conversations and discourages endless swiping. The app's premium options, such as extending matches, seeing who already liked you, or rematching with expired connections, are useful for people who want more flexibility. However, Bumble isn't without drawbacks. The 24-hour time limit can feel stressful, especially for users with busy schedules. While the women-first approach is empowering for many, some men feel it limits their ability to initiate conversations. Like most dating apps, experiences vary widely depending on location. Users in major cities may have many options, while those in smaller areas sometimes report fewer active profiles. Additionally, premium features can be costly, and some users feel they are necessary for the best experience. In summary, Bumble is worth considering if you value a respectful dating environment, prefer women making the first move, or want an app that also offers friendship and networking options. On the other hand, if you dislike time pressure or want maximum flexibility without paying for upgrades, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.